Hi, sixth graders. This is a math video for Chapter 4, Practice Test 2C. First thing, when you look at problems 1 and 2, they might look easy, but they're actually kind of difficult. Let me show you why. Here's a problem that's similar to number 1. It's not exactly like it, but it's similar. 10 plus m equals negative 5. But I'm going to write a separate problem on the board, m plus 10 equals negative 5. What are you going to do to get m by itself in this problem? I think you're going to end up subtracting 10 from both sides, right? And that gives you an m value of negative 15, because negative 5 plus a negative 10 is negative 15. So number 1 is pretty easy, I think, for the most part. But look at number 2. Look at number 2. I'm going to do one similar to number 2. I'm going to write on the board 14 minus m equals negative 4. But I'm also going to write m minus 14 equals negative 4. Can you solve these the same way? No, you can't. Over here, we would solve this by adding 14 to both sides of the equation. And we would get an m value of equals to 10 here. 10 minus 14. 10 minus 14 is negative 4. And that makes sense. If I'm here at 10 and I subtract 14, let's see where I end up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I end up at negative 4. But can we still do that here? I don't know if we can. If I'm at 14, which is way out here, what number do I have to take away from it to get to negative 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have to subtract 18 from this 14 to get to negative 4. But how in the world do we do that as a math problem? Watch this. We're going to rewrite the subtraction as adding a negative m first. And then we're going to subtract 14 from both sides of this problem. And over here, that gives us a negative 18 equaling a negative m. So if negative m equals negative 18, isn't that really negative 1m? And can't we now divide both sides of the equation by negative 1? And we get m equaling a positive 18, which is what we said the answer was. 14 take away 18 gets us all the way to negative 4. That's a tricky problem. That's a tricky problem. Now, that is not the answer to number 2, but hopefully that gives you a thought on how to solve that. Number 3, Miguel earned $2,500 from his summer job. This is what? This is 350 more than what Todd earned. No, wait, it's 350 more than twice what Todd earned. How do I write twice Todd? How about 2 times Todd? And this is, and there's my equal sign. Miguel earned $2,500. And this number is 350 more than twice what Todd earned. Hey, there's a formula you can use to solve number 3 maybe. When you jump down to, about number 17, do you know what to do with the phrase less than in number 17? Remember flipping things? A number minus 19 is less than, oh, no, that's greater than symbol, is less than negative 28. But wait a minute, Mr. Ponko, you said something about flipping things. I know, I'm messing with you a little bit, I guess. Sometimes that phrase less than does refer to, for example, m minus 6. And you'd say that as 6 less than m. But in this case, it's just referring to the inequality symbol of less than. So don't be misled by that. Okay. I think we're going to stop at this point and cover things with you tomorrow. Hopefully this helps you a little bit, but